In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use eSignatures to speed up vendor agreements, making the process faster, easier, and more efficient. If you're dealing with contracts regularly, you already know the pain of waiting on signatures. But eSignatures can solve that problem in minutes. Stick around till the end to discover a quick way to streamline your vendor agreements and get an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using. Let's get right into it. First, what exactly are eSignatures? eSignatures are a legally binding digital version of traditional signatures. Instead of printing, signing, and scanning documents, you can just sign them online with a few clicks. This cuts down the back and forth communication, avoids paper waste, and speeds up the entire agreement process. Now, let's talk about how to actually use eSignatures to speed up vendor agreements. The first step is choosing the right software. There are tons of options out there, but today we'll be using our recommended software that has been tested and proven to streamline the process. The key here is choosing something that's simple, reliable, and integrates well with your existing tools. Once you've chosen the software, upload your vendor agreement to the platform. This can be in any common file format like PDF or Word. You'll see an easy-to-use interface that lets you add signature fields, initials, and other necessary information where it's needed. You can even add dates or checkboxes if required. This step is simple and usually takes only a few minutes. Next, you'll send the document to your vendor. The software allows you to send the document via email or even generate a link that you can share directly. The beauty of this step is that the vendor doesn't need to install any special software. They simply click, review, and sign the document electronically. No more chasing them down for physical signatures. After the vendor signs, you'll receive a notification, and the signed document is automatically saved in the cloud for easy access. It's secure, and you don't have to worry about lost documents. Plus, this method provides an automatic audit trail, which ensures you have a record of when and where the signature was applied, protecting you in case of any future disputes. So, to recap, choose the right software, upload the document, add signature fields, send it to your vendor, and let the software handle the rest. You've now sped up the entire process from days to mere minutes, saving you time and effort. A quick reminder, if you want to follow along with exactly what we've done in this tutorial, I've included an exclusive free trial to our recommended software in the description below. This is a special offer only for viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it. The key takeaway from this video is that using eSignatures to speed up vendor agreements is not only possible, but it's also simple and effective. You save time, eliminate the hassle, and create a more streamlined business process. Just remember to choose the right software, upload your documents, and let the technology do the work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your free trial and start speeding up your vendor agreements today.